In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to maintain consistency across your site or simply save time by not having to rebuild the same type of content over and over, duplicating sections can be a powerful tool in your website editing toolkit. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. To do this, open your web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, locate the website you want to edit and click on the Edit Site button. This will bring you to the Wix editor, where you can make all the necessary changes to your website's layout and content. Once you're in the editor, browse through your site's pages to identify the section you'd like to duplicate. This could be anything from a contact form to a service description or a photo gallery. Hover over the section until a thin blue line appears around it. This indicates that the section is selected and ready for editing. Next, look for a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal dots. This is also known as the More Options button. It's generally found near the top right corner of the section you've selected. When you click on these dots, a menu will appear revealing several options you can perform on that section. From this menu, you're going to click on the Duplicate option. What this will do is create an exact replica of the selected section, including all its settings, content, and design elements. Once duplicated, you'll see the new section appear immediately below the original one. Now that you've successfully duplicated a section, you can drag and drop this new section anywhere on your page. This feature offers great flexibility, allowing you to customize your page layout effortlessly. Just click on the new section, hold down your mouse or trackpad, and move it to your desired location on the page. A few tips to consider here. First, ensure that the design and layout of your duplicated sections remain coherent with the overall style of your website. This consistency helps in maintaining a professional look. Additionally, you can make unique tweaks to each duplicated section without affecting the original, which allows you to customize content further while retaining the initial layout and design. Duplicating sections can dramatically cut down on the time you spend developing your site, freeing you up to focus on creating new content or refining existing elements. So, next time you find yourself needing similar sections across various pages of your site, remember the ease and efficiency of duplication. And there we have it, a straightforward way to manage your Wix site more efficiently by duplicating sections. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below.